Dear students, today we are going to see second standard Hindi. Paksho. Paksho means birds. First one பாருங்க. தோதா. தோதா. Tota means parrot. Cow. Kawa. Kawa means crow. Maina. Maina. Maina means maina. Kabootar. Kabootar. Kabootar means pigeon. Ullu. Ullu. Ullu means all. More. More. More means peacock.